in the whole of Central Visayas. With the endorsement that you made earlier this afternoon, talaga, kumpleto na ang araw namin tatlo. So maraming salamat kay Governor. And rest assured, no, even when, God willing, makabalik kami sa Senate, hindi ko po makakalimutan ang araw na ito. I already said what has to be said, no, kanina. Ako naman, hindi kasi galing na public speaker ni Governor. Kanina, I was talking to the Vice Governor, kay Glenn. Ngayon ko lang narinig si Governor mag-public speaking. Naku, wala nang pwede sumunod sa kanya. Lahat na nasusunod kay Governor, boring. Anyway, pakilala ko pa lang sa sarili ko, at former Senator, former Chief PNP, former Chief Metro Discom ng Metro Cebu, dito sa Cebu, and I'd like to just express my sentiment. Na noong ako nasa Cebu Metro Discom, I really did my best to keep the peace in order to a certain level, yung safe yung mga cities natin. The same thing I did when I was Chief of the Philippine National Police. And when I was Senator, yung mga pinurso ko, mga legislative measures, yung mga agenda, patungo rin doon sa tulad ng advocacy ni Governor at saka yung One Cebu, yung good governance. I was talking kanina kay Vice Governor Glenn, sabi niya, and I agree with him, no, na talagang there's no substitute to good governance. There's no substitute to good performance. Napansin ko sa Cebu, maraming walang kalaban. And alam nyo, kaya walang kalaban, hindi yun ginawa in one day, hindi ginawa overnight. Ginawa yan 3 years, 6 years, 9 years. Kasi walang gusto lumaban kasi performance ang kalaban. And I'd like to congratulate the leadership of Cebu for, taking Cebu to where it is now. And, as Filipino citizen, not really Cebuano, although adopted sa naman ako ng Cebu Governor, pero I'm proud to be part of yung One Cebu, at least for today, and maybe in the future, no? Na tayo, we will share the same advocacy sa good governance, sa performance, and also for yung love of country. Thank you very much. Daghang salamat Katpon, daghang salamat Cebu. Mayong hapon sa inyong tanan.